Something different this week. Instead of a story, I have a must-see in DC place for you, the Museum of Failure.
Washington's museums celebrate success in ideas, technology, human struggle, and the arts. But this pop-up museum focuses on just the opposite: the products, services, and ideas that didn't quite work out. For example, Hooters Airlines, or lawn darts. What could possibly go wrong there? The Playboy issue of the Women of Enron, that was a bust. Or consider the Hula exercise chair.
All right, so I am going to try one of the alleged failures here at the Failure Museum. It is indeed failing.
Failing to build up your abs?
It is failing to build up my abs, and I
Right.
don't know how anyone could possibly do this.
And then there's Black Coke, Crystal Pepsi, and the infamous New Coke. Failure is a part of the equation of success. The Apple Newton was a failure, but without it, Apple may not have been able to get to the iPhone. But some folks don't know when to stop failing.
But do not be a failure yourself. You've got to see this. It's in Georgetown, in the old Georgetown Park Mall, and it's only here till the end of November 2023.